What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and tonight we got Alex's K20 again, and we're going for night testing. So before we get anything situated, before we get into this video, be sure to check out our sponsors and also check out the homies. Hit the description box below, hit all the links, subscribe to the channels, and check out the sponsors. Check out their website, see what they offer, and use code KBros20 at checkout on Max Speeding Rods to get anything on their website. Let's get this intro rolling. Let's get back to the video. So what's going on, Alex? What we got?
We had so the car, if I don't know if people noticed, I used to run it without the front bumper, and this is a Wuhan Radiator, and the way the fan used to sit, let me grab the fan so you can see. Because usually the OEM fan is good, but the way this used to sit, it used to have a gap from like here to the fins on the radiator, like a gap this big, so that wasn't really sucking air through the radiator pods. Yeah, we're gonna test that too at the same time. I want to be able to drive the car around, no issues, you know what I mean? And before, I mean, it would drive fine, but it was always on that borderline, like it would get to like 200, you'd hear the fan going, and like the motor was straight, it's just the cooling system couldn't keep up. So I have a good feeling about this. This radiator blows a lot more air. On top of it, if you could see on the camera, it's completely flush with the fins. So when this shit turns on, it's gonna, the air has to suck out through here.
So what he's trying to show you, because what's happening is because of the light and the reflection from here, it's kind of.
Oh, you can't really see it on the camera.
Yeah.
I put it up here.
Now I got you. All right, boom.
Yeah, you can see now. So the air, the only way the air can flow through the fan is being sucked in through here, and there's an open gap here too. So
yeah,
it should be a lot more effective. That's pretty much it. There's still a couple things I want to do. I need to get the parachute mounted and stuff before I go back to the track, but for now I'm just trying to dial in the car. I do want to put a 6th gear in it, so at one point, maybe not this week, next week, I'm going to drop the tranny. I got a new casing and stuff.
Alright, so we're literally about to wire in this new fan, and we're about to head out. Well, make sure it's working and then head out.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be working fine. But just so everybody knows, because I already know it's going to be in the comments, but when I wired this thing up, I was just rushing to get the car running. So now that the car is running, I'm just like moving in stages. Like, I want to test this out. If everything works fine, I'm going to fix the wiring. I want to run these wires like under here so you don't really see it, you know what I mean? Yeah. And then once I get the base sorted out, I got a carbon bonnet here. That's gonna change the look of the car right there. But I don't even want to put that shit on until I have the engine bay how I want it, or at least in a better condition, you know, little by little. And then the next step is the interior.
Put in the comments if Alex rich, bro.
What happened?
Huh?
I'm not rich, bro.
Put in the comments if Alex rich. Carbon bonnet, precision turbo, all-wheel drive.
I'm not rich, bro. It's called hard work,
fully built,
dedication. Hard work, dedication.
Bro, I work hard and I got dedication. My shit ain't.
Bro, you have a K swap. That's hard work, and you're already on the right path. You're acting like you got a B series. Like, bro.
Man, I got TEs. You know what I'm saying?
Fake.
And nobody know, bro. Don't even try to. Bro, hold up, bro. TEs. Look at that. TEs. Look at it.
That's fake, bro. You can tell by the font. You can tell by the font.
There ain't no font that's different, bro. Stop trying to cap for the camera, bro.
That's just Wuhan. I'm trying to tell you.
Man got the NRG steering wheel.
Bro, that's not even Sparko.
I don't need to be Sparko. You know what I'm saying? Alex Rich, bro. Let's make that into a t-shirt. So I'm gonna get strapped in, pause, while Alex is getting ready to get back outside. We got the draggy set up and everything, so we're gonna get these hits going. So I'm gonna get strapped in the car and get ready for these runs. Can barely hear us, but we're pulling over at Wawa real quick just to check to make sure the axles are straight. Alex did go ahead and get some new axles. I forgot the company you got them from.
AKD Performance.
AKD Performance axles. Those axles were like $1,600.
Nah, $1,600.
That's what I said, $1,600.
Yeah, they're expensive.
Yeah, but they're worth it. I mean, for the price.
I mean, they didn't break.
Hopefully, it didn't break. We're about to figure it out right now. All right, so. Here it is. Here it is.
Bro, I can't fill in all this shit right now.
Why not?
It's way too much.
Yeah, we're gonna try to figure out what that noise is in the rear. Hopefully, it's not the diff. I don't think it's anything but what Alex said. It's the axle rubbing. Because the faster you go, the louder it gets.
Yeah.
I don't think it's anything serious. Going on to the car, there's a double check just to make sure shit ain't parted out.
Hey, you still need help with your draggy?
No, yeah, I got it.
Figured it out.
Yeah.
Yo, they're in the same. Oh, I see what it is.
What could it be?
It's scraping the chassis of the car.
So it's too beefy then.
It's like barely, dog. It's like I'm still gonna do a dig, and then assess it later.
So you
just enough to make noise. So you know when it barely scrape, but it's enough to be loud.
Yeah. Because the faster you go, it's just gonna keep touching.
It's gonna expand and shit.
Especially when you're going over bumps and shit, it gets loud. So
I'm not tripping. I just know I gotta pull this off and then cut. Oh man, whatever. We could do a dig though.
All right, bet.
Let's get this.
Bet. All right, so we are in Mexico right now. We're gonna get some test hits going for you guys. He's gonna be doing digs, so he's gonna make that U-turn. I'm gonna try to capture the best shots I can possibly capture. think he might have broke the axle or the diff. Because there's no way the car should be spinning that bad.
No, the first one it worked.
Yeah. What happened? You broke the diff?
I don't know. It sounds something sketchy.
God damn it, Alex.
Bro, the first one, you saw it?
I got it on camera.
Yeah, but like, that shit fucking launched.
It's not a cop. Jail.
Let's see what kind of.
All right, we're gonna check it, and I guess we'll be back on the camera once we figure out what's going on. All right, so Alex is back to front wheel drive.
Just go wagon parts. Just go wagon parts.
It's not worth the CRV.
I mean, I'm changing everything. The drive shaft is all custom. I got the viscous working now. That works. So that's,
Yeah.
I mean, that's not too bad. If you upgrade it, it depends, you know, where you can get it for the price, you know. But the diff, I don't know. The diff's been holding it from a roll. If you're gonna roll race, you're straight.
Yeah,
But once you start doing digs, that CRV diff just parts out. And if it wasn't the axles from before, it would have been the diff from before. So.
Yeah, so if we had went to the track off rip, that first pull would have been packing
prep?
up to go home. Yeah, would have been
Yeah.
packing up to go home. Because if it did this on the street, I mean,
Yeah, so we're just gonna keep going to Mexico for now. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? I'm gonna see what we can do about the diff. Maybe try to get a wagon diff, and I know it's a little shorter, but maybe my boy that did the axles can make a spacer or something, just so I don't have to modify the drive shaft, so it can just bolt in. Because the wagon diff is a lot beefier, and with the axles I got, I can change like the splines on the end. He
Yeah.
can send me that shit too, and I
Okay.
could just plug it in. I don't gotta worry about anything.
all right, so
That's one option. I don't know.
Alex is going Wago parts.
Nah, I don't got money like that.
Alex is rich.
I don't got money.
Today is Sunday. I'll give him till next Sunday.
Bro, I promise you I won't have a wagon diff. That shit's like
Alright, so
2,500.
alright, so
I might have a CRV. I might have another CRV diff.
Oh, wow.
But and I still want to do some 60 to 130s.
So when you get the new one put back in, that's all we're doing until you can get the wagon, because you don't want to break. You're gonna break it on the street, especially with these
I'm gonna
tires.
see what I can do though. I'm gonna see if they sell like a ring gear or something. I haven't really looked into it since they had it running. You know what I mean? They might have like a ring gear for it.
Bro, now you're gonna have to buy like 2 freaking this. Bro. So when you do one pass, you just be like, alright, that's it. Just put the other one in cruise.
It's $200 every pass.
Facts.
Nah, that can't work. I mean, dude, the 0 to 60, I thought that was just in third though. For me shifting from first to second like that, you already know the car's.
Yeah.
If I can get it to work, the car is moving for sure. Just need a little more homework.
Yeah. For sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. It's already midnight.
Yep, it's late. Time to pack up. We got work this week. Enough content to make like an update.
Yeah, definitely. And I can throw, so just to kind of give you guys an idea of what that last track day, I'll go ahead and put that clip in now when we went to the track the last time, just so you saw how the car left. You have a more, like, I guess, a better visual of how the car left before he broke the axle. Calling it 9.9 off rip. Hell yeah, 9.9 at 151. I called it off rip, bro. If you could get the launch, it's a 9.9. So, we're moving from breaking axles to breaking the diff.
That's the last piece though.
Yeah.
That's the last step. Once I get that sorted, it's wraps.
That's wraps, yeah.
Once I get that sorted. The axles aren't breaking. There's no way that shit's breaking.
Yeah, the axle's holding up.
The axles in the back is stronger than the front.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna talk to him, see what I can do for the front. I mean, the fronts are working now. That's the least of my worries. Get the diff sorted. Once the diff's sorted, I'll probably upgrade the front axles. They're insane shafts. Some people haven't had the best luck and went into walls and stuff with them. So
damn.
Once the car is actually launching a lot and putting power down, then that's probably going to be my next upgrade. Do the front axles. But for right now, we got to get the car sorted. I mean, at least we're almost there. The car's making power.
The car is sorted. It's just a matter of getting a better diff now and really dialing in the car. You know,
I mean,
if you gotta lower the boost before you leave, like on the 2-step, lower the boost a little bit.
Like on first or something.
Yeah, no, not really on first, but when you're on the 2-step, how many boosts do you build?
I don't even have a boost gauge.
See, that's another thing, because you're probably building way too much boost.
The car, I just need to get it sorted from a launch. From a roll, it's already...
I mean, I feel you need like 5 pounds to leave, like 5 to 10 pounds to leave. My 2-step on my 4-door, first, like, if I'm doing a dig, once I'm on the 2-step, it goes to like 4 or 5 pounds.
Yeah,
and that was front wheel drive.
I can lower it. I mean, I was gonna launch it, less aggressive. I didn't get a chance to. Whatever. We gotta get the diff sorted. That's pretty much
definitely.
Yep.
Well, go ahead, like, comment, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Also follow Alex at AA Performance. His thing is always it's gonna be in the drop down box, so go ahead and follow him. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.